Hi you all, I hope you all are having a great 2021 so far. I am going to be kicking off hashtag Ishita reviews with this video, and I'm actually pretty happy to be kicking it off with this one because I get so many queries from you guys asking about my hair care routine, how I maintain my hair. I'm straightening my hair almost every other day because I'm shooting so often, and I just like personal preference, I like to keep my hair straight, although I have been trying to experiment with a lot more like curling hairstyles, but this is my go-to and you'll mostly 90% of the time you're going to see me in this. So many of you guys ask me that despite the fact that I straighten my hair so often, how do I still maintain my hair and make it look damaged and frizz-free? Now, truth be told guys, my hair is far from frizz-free and damage-free. If you see it in its natural habitat, you will see that it is quite frizzy and it does look a little dry and damaged. But I managed to make it look like this most of the time, so I'm going to tell you guys how I style my hair, straighten, what products I'm using right now. In fact, I've been using the BioLarge Smooth Proof Serum. This is the deep smoothing serum. Now, I posted about it on my Instagram stories when I received the product and decided to give it a review, and I got like at least 6 to 7 DMs instantly telling me it's a great product and how they have been using it for so long. And trust me, those reviews did not disappoint. This product definitely lived up to that. So I'm quickly going to show you guys how I prep my hair to, finally achieve this. So let's get started. So my usual hair wash routine is a shampoo, a conditioner, and then of course I go in with the serum. But I recommend that you use all the products from the same range. So once I'm done shampooing and applying the conditioner, I go in with the hair serum. Now this has a very light non-sticky formula. It's like super non-greasy, and the best part about it, it has natural ingredients like avocado and grapeseed oil, which help in nourishing the hair as well as giving it shine and also helps strengthening it. You can actually go in with like 4 to 5 drops and you rub it in your hands and then apply it in your hair. Make sure that you apply it only towards the ends of the hair because that's the right way to apply it. Don't apply it all over the hair, but focus more on the ends of the hair. So this one is actually a super deep nourishing serum with 6-in-1 benefits. Of course, number 1 being it helps control the frizz of your hair. The second, protects from humidity. It also smoothens rough ends, adds instant shine and nourishes dry hair, and also helps in detangling your hair. So this is what my hair looks like right after shampooing, conditioning and applying the hair serum. It is only naturally air dried right now. No heat has been applied. I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to styling routine that I follow, which is to straighten my hair. And a lot of questions actually come in as to how I straighten my hair. So that question is going to be answered right here in this video. You can actually use the serum as a heat protectant as well, but because I already used it just before a while back after shampooing, so I'm not going to use that right now. But let's get started with the straightening. So what I do is I section my hair. Just take the upper part of my hair first, and I just get that out of the way by tying it up on the top. Then I further divide the remaining hair into 2 sections like this, and then I brush my hair. So once that is done, I section it a little, I just take like a thinner section, and then I start straightening my hair. The straightener that I'm using, I'll mention the details in the description box because I know you guys are going to ask me about it. And then I just go once or twice and take that at the back. So basically just like that, I keep taking thinner sections and then I continue straightening. Now I'm going to move on to the other side. So first I'm going to brush the hair, and the same thing, divide this into thinner sections and then straighten it. And I sort of still, check at the back if there's any hair left behind, and then I just go once more over it. Usually there isn't, but sometimes the middle part is left behind. So I just straighten that So once the lower section is done, I open the top one and then divide this into two, tie the rest of it back again. And once I have this combed, again the same procedure. You section it in thinner hair sections and start straightening again. So this portion of the hair is done. You can see the difference between the hair already, and I am quickly gonna straighten this bit as well. It's important that you brush your hair before you straighten. I personally don't brush my hair when it's wet, so I have to ensure that I brush my hair if I'm styling my hair. And we are done. One thing that I like to do is the ends, I like to sort of curve them a little bit inwards once I've done straightening the entire hair. And of course, you have to check for any bumps, if any hairs left behind that's not straight. So usually I just like touch it with my hand and feel it. But I think we are good to go. And what I then do, like I was telling you, is to sort of bend it inwards because I don't like it to be too poker straight. So I don't know if this really helps it make it look inward, but I just still like doing it. So this is how my hair looks after straightening. You can instantly see the difference, of course, and it looks a lot more shinier. But I'm not done yet. The BioLarge hair serum, the BioLarge Smooth Proof hair serum, has multiple uses, and one of them is that you can actually use it after styling your hair to give it a little more shine. Like I'm gonna do it. You can just run it through your hair towards the ends, of course, and it'll add that extra shine. And obviously, if because of the heat, if there's any friction created on your hair, that also disappears with the serum. And I think it looks great now. Apart from that, actually the serum has multiple uses. One is, of course, like I already showed you guys, after shampooing and conditioning your hair, you can use it to help in detangling your wet hair, and of course it also helps with frizz and all of that. The second thing is you can actually use it after styling your hair, after applying heat to your hair. Number 3 is you can actually use it as a heat protectant as well. I didn't use it because I already used it after shampooing and conditioning. And one more use is that it also helps in controlling humidity, the effect of humidity on your hair. So when you're traveling, maybe going to the beaches for a vacation, it's a great product to have handy and in your bag when you're traveling as well. So I'm finally going to give you guys a before and after visual as well, so you guys can see the actual difference in my hair, and then probably take a call if you want to give it a try or not. So that was it for today's video. If you guys are interested in trying out the product, I'll just quickly share the prices with you. The shampoo is 400 ml and it costs you 400 rupees. The conditioner is 196 grams and it costs 335 rupees. The serum is 100 ml and it costs 300 rupees. So they definitely are all under 500 and definitely affordable as well if you'd like to give it a try, because the quantity is more than enough to last you a couple of months at least. The link to purchase these products will be in the description box. As usual, I will mention it, so you can just click on that and purchase the products if you'd like. Also, don't forget to let me know your review of the product. If you've used it or you plan to use it, leave it down in the comments below. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope this was informative and helpful in some way or the other. That's it for now. I'm going to see you guys in the next video very soon, and take care.